Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how I created a game title logo for a Barbie game. I had a rough sketch here and I started with making all the basic shapes in Illustrator. After drawing the base in Illustrator, I exported the file as a PSD and started adding color and details. Hope you learned something new from this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video and check out my other videos, and please subscribe to the channel if you enjoy my content.